Alrighty, good morning, everyone. This is Chrissy Chrissy and Aaron doing the briefing this morning for Thursday, and it's valid June 3rd, which is today, through Wednesday, June 9th. So we'll just get on with it and get started. So the upcoming weather pattern. So today we'll expect numerous showers and storms along a cold front today and moving across the area tomorrow. And then another round of showers and storms expected along and east I-95 on Saturday. So expect the southeast coastal plain to get some showers on Saturday. And then for the rest of the weekend, it'll be mild, seasonably weather as that cold pass goes offshore, and we'll expect some more isolated showers along the coastal plain. As the early next week to the midweek, a high pressure builds in, so we'll have some nice weather. And then, of course, if you haven't been updated with the Hurricane Center, tropics are quiet for now, so we just completely skipped that slide. So we'll move on to Aaron, and he's going to talk about precipitation forecast.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining today. So as you can tell, today is going to be the main show. So today we're going to be expecting most of our rain to be occurring today into tomorrow morning. So 1 to 3 inches is going to be expected for today. Across the Sandhills and coastal plain is where you're going to be seeing the most amount of rainfall. So maybe around an inch across the northwestern Piedmont, and maybe closer to 3 inches across the Sandhills and coastal plain. And then after that, some of that cold front will be moving offshore, just like Chrissy said. So we'll kind of get more into a normal summertime type isolated storms and showers in the afternoon over the next couple of days into early middle of the next week. And let's go ahead and go to the next slide here. So as you guys probably know, we do have a flash flood watch that is out for the eastern half of central North Carolina until 6 a.m. Friday. That may need to be extended area-wise and also time-wise. May need to be extended if the hazard continues into Friday morning. So keep a lookout for that. That may need to be extended in the next at some point today. But for the current watch that we do have out, kind of as I mentioned, we do have 1 to 3 inches of rain possible this afternoon into tonight and even into tomorrow morning as that cold front moves offshore. And this will lead to the potential for some flash flooding. All right, so as you can see, the excessive rainfall outlook from WPC today is, like I said, the main event. So most of all of central North Carolina could expect the potential for some isolated flash flooding, and with the highest potential being out across the coastal plain, especially because that area has had a lot of rainfall in the past 24 to 36 hours. So that area is a little bit more primed for the potential for some flash flooding risk. And we did want to kind of throw this in here. This is the current drought monitor that came out today. Now, big, huge caveat with this is that this data was run without the inclusion of the last 48 hours of rainfall. So as you can see, the drought has extended up into the north and west to include more of Vance, Durham, Orange, Alamance County, maybe in a little bit of Guilford County there for the moderate drought. But likely next Thursday, we will see some sort of reduction with this, with the amount of rainfall we had last night. Yesterday, last night, and then today. So keep a lookout for that on next Thursday for maybe a more accurate representation of what we're looking at over the from what has happened over the past 36 hours to 48 hours.
All right, thanks, Aaron. So as we said before, this is SPC Severe Weather Outlook. Today, Thursday, we do have a slight chance, but that is just Virginia and Northeast up into New Jersey and parts of Pennsylvania. Central North Carolina is just in a marginal threat for severe thunderstorms across the region today. Greatest threat is damaging winds, and we cannot rule out an isolated tornado, so that could be possible. Friday, we are going to be in a marginal threat again. It's a little bit smaller, but we are still in that threat again. Damaging winds and isolated tornado can't be ruled out. On Saturday, as we talked, that cold front will move offshore more, and we will just see some showers over in the coastal plain. And then Sunday, no areas of severe weather. 8 to 14 day outlook, courtesy of the Climate Prediction Center. North Carolina's pretty much in the middle, a little bit maybe probability of above average temperatures for June 10th through June 16th. And then for the 8 to 14 day precipitation outlook, we are slightly above normal favored, especially in the western parts of North Carolina. And this is our summary page. So like I said, numerous showers today and Friday, another round maybe south and east of I-95 on Saturday. For the rest of the weekend, early next week, pretty dry as the high pressure builds in. Don't forget that we do have that flash flood watch out for eastern half of the Central NC until 6 a.m., at least 6 a.m. Friday, but we could extend that time. So keep an eye out for that. Thanks.